Dude, how the hell do I keep ending up here?
It couldn't have possibly been that long. Alright, I've got a wheel with some popular mobile games, so whichever game gets picked first, I will go search for a copy of that game. Time to spin the wheel. We're off to a strong start already. Okay, I found this game called Geometry Rush, and I wanna say, it's so terribly put together. The game icon is made with AI. The gameplay is not any better either, but you'll see what I mean later. Anyways, time to hit play and start play. No comment. So is anything supposed to? Okay, what is that timing? Pretty easy, not gonna lie. Hopefully the next level is as easy as this one. Spoilers. It was not. This level drove me to the brink of insanity. Yeah. I gave up immediately afterwards, so my rating for this game is a solid -10 out of 1,000. I hated this game with all my might, but you guys already know what time it is. Time to spin the wheel.
Wowie wow wow!
Wowie wow wow!
Alright, so now I'm stuck with this ugly aspect ratio. Good to know. So this is the bootleg version of Among Us called Red Imposter. Very original if you ask me. Also, is that the
Wowie wow wow!
Get wrecked. Not gonna lie, that was kinda fun, but I still want a challenge. Okay, that was just uncalled for. Oh, great heavens! What am I supposed to do then? Okay then, I'll kill this guy first. Next this guy. Let's go, I did it first try. Time to see what this level is all. I might be cooked. Easy. Hey, this game isn't as half bad as I thought it would be. It even has Fruit Ninja.
Sing, 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 sing.
And also guns. Is a fast cut compilation of me shooting people. Yes, I know that was very short, but it was such a pain to edit. Anyway, I think this game deserves a good 7 out of 10. Could have been more if it wasn't for the ugly 9:16 aspect ratio. But with that out of the way, it's time to spin the wheel. What can I even say anymore? Look, my issue with Minecraft copies is that most of them really suck, but I guess I just gotta roll with it. I found this game called Blockcraft 3D Simulator. Weird name, but I'll give them the benefit of the doubt since their icon is not AI. I guess I have to name my village now. Alright, my goal for this game is to build a decent looking house. enough. Alright guys, it's time for a house tour. Here we have a bed with a pretty cool bedside table. Also an oven and stove. At the table we have a paper and ink for me to write the next task answer. Also some alcohol for some reason. And lastly, we have the TV to see how Mexico demolishes England in the World Cup. Stay tuned for the next segment of the house tour. Oh, and about the game itself, I think it deserves a 6 out of 10. Blah blah blah, it's time to spin the wheel again.
Adrian.
We're back with the 9:16 aspect ratio people. You won't believe what this game is called. It's literally just Battle Cats. Like they are not even trying to hide the fact that this is a poorly made rip-off of the original Battle Cats. But I guess I gotta give it a try. Why are there so many already, bro? I can't even spawn that many myself. I don't wanna drag this out anymore since this game was kinda boring. I think I'll give this game a 4 out of 10. Pretty boring and took me way more time than it should have to beat. But anyway, it's time for... We've been through a lot, haven't we? I had to withstand AI slop, the Oh Wowie War Guy and Goku, Mexico losing to England, and Skinwalkers. However, I still don't see the appeal to make video game bootlegs or why people make them in the first place. But maybe this last game will change my mind about this, so let's spin that wheel one last time. Now who would have expected this outcome, but in all seriousness, it's finally time for... For our last game we had Stick Hero Fighter Infinity. This game already seems much higher quality than the previous games. Also I lost the footage to my first reaction, so we are starting on level 4. Did they just kill them?
Hey, my name is Blue Dude, and what the
They don't even give me the satisfaction of killing them myself. Can you guys stop killing yourself? Finally, after all this time, I can finally rate the last game. My rating for this game is a 6 out of 10. Pretty mid, not gonna lie. So, after all these games, did I finally change my mind about bootlegs? No, I think they are just made to profit off others' hard work, so why even play them? Well, it's funny how many people try to get away with copying other games and be successful by doing so. Although most of these games have potential, it doesn't change the fact that they are made with the intent of being successful. I believe the lesson learned today is, don't use AI for your game.